Hi, this is Jennifer Matlack and Samantha Gilbert, and we will be discussing our Smackdown tool that we used. We used the tool Gimkit. The URL is gimkit.com, and it is a really great assessment tool. And the purpose of our tool is to assess and quiz any kind of students. Students answer questions on their own device, and it's a very interactive game which allows the students to answer the questions at their own pace, and they can even review the questions over multiple times to develop mastery of the questions. Students can also earn in-game cash by answering questions correctly, but an incorrect question will cost you. And then they can also shop. They can use their in-game cash and they can purchase combinations and other things like that, and upgrades, stuff like that. Alright, and our tool setup will be signing up. You can sign up through Google, or you can sign up through your email, or Facebook even. Samantha used her Google account to develop this quiz for us. And then
we log in. As you can see, we have our verb quiz right now. So to view the highlight of the key features of Gimkit is, of course, they have news. They always have a little news thing that pops up right here every time. It's kind of cool because you can find out like different stuff that's going on or whatever if you're interested in that. They have daily challenges. No challenges currently available, as you can see. So we as well have our assignments link, and this is where all the students can see their new assignment, which I think is pretty cool, kind of like a Blackboard type of deal. So I would say the way to integrate this into the learning environment would be definitely how we can basically teach a lesson and have a verb quiz, as you can see right here that me and Jen made. And you can click on them. As you can see, it shows us the answer that we have right now because we are the teacher. Like, the student does not see this. Totally different screen for the student. And as you can tell, we did which sentence has the most verbs. And as you can see, the student can count each word. And the way we integrate it into a learning environment would be that each assessment that you create can be desired or designed to any grade level for any subject, for any type of teacher universally.
Yes, so we could use this tool, Gimkit, for creating assessments on second grade verbs, nouns, literature, anything. Or you could do third grade, you could do fourth grade, fifth, like high school even. You could do an extensive quiz that is more challenging for your students. Basically, this tool is very helpful for teachers and for students. Students can use it for studying and anything in between like that.
So right up here, you go to log out. Brings us back to the front. So I do see in the list we have to discuss limitations, sadly. To every great game, there is a limitation. So there is not unlimited kits, not unlimited edits, and audio questions are not available, and there are no image uploads. But you could do live games, assignments, and classes, but with no advertisements. But as you can see, GoPro is $5 a month or $9 to pay as you go for the Pro Pass, or you can go Pro. There's also a group request. So as you can see, as most games, there is some paying involved if you wanted it to be perfect. And for inclusion, this is our perfect website that we have found for all teachers around, and I think everyone should give this a try.
Yeah, and it's very, very easy as well, so it's very helpful, and it's not at all time consuming. Thank you for watching.
We hope you guys enjoyed it.